We are Team 6, and this is our entrepreneurial journey. When we first saw all of the Scrapbox materials, we were immediately drawn to the DVD covers. We decided to use their plastic casings for 3D iPhone hologram projectors. We were able to make these hologram projectors using the DVD covers, X-Acto knives, and hot glue. Using the Hole Gallery app, our customers were able to create projections using only our product and their smartphones. Customers could also project videos using YouTube and other 3D apps. After creating our first business model canvas, we realized how appealing the cost structure of this product was going to be, because it was not very time-consuming to make and the materials were relatively cheap. Also, our customer segments appealed to all students with iPhones. We felt very good about this and felt like we had a perfect market to tap. Our initial materials cost $7.50, which included all scrapbook purchases, and $0.00 for our hot glue and X-Acto knife. After 1 week of low sales and little customer interest, we realized the novelty and negative replay value of our product. At this point, we decided to cut our losses, reassess our goals, and start fresh with a new project idea. Our product lacked the ability to be used to entertain a consumer or his or her friends more than one time. We decided to stick with iPhone accessories, except we switched gears from an iPhone hologram projector to an iPhone projector. Switching projects, we decided to create a new business model canvas and try and focus our efforts on a market that we believed was totally untapped, which was kids without TVs in their rooms. The problem that we came across in this new venture was that we didn't realize how labor-intensive creating each individual projector actually was. In this first iteration, we were able to create a very, very successful first model, but had very little aesthetic appeal to a customer. It produced a great picture, but was not necessarily something that a customer would want to buy. By the end of week 2, we had spent $10 on magnifying glasses and $6 on boxes at Scrapbox. During this week, we were able to sell 3 plain cardboard projectors for $15 each for a total of $43 profit during week 2. Our goals for week 3 were to increase production and customization of all of our projectors. Our value propositions for this week was to increase customization and accessibility for our customers. We expanded our channels this week by accepting credit cards with our new Square reader. During week 3, we streamlined our production and were able to create 4 projectors in under 2 hours. First, we had to cut boxes to fit with one another. Second, we'd have to cut a hole for where the magnifying glass was going to be. We also had to tape the inside of every box to make sure that we could enhance the image quality of our projectors. And third, we had to duct tape the entire box to give it a good aesthetic appeal and to add structural value. This process was not an exact science. By the end of week 3, we had sold 8 projectors, 4 hologram pyramids, for a total gross profit of $110.50. In the course of 4 weeks, some of our key takeaways were learning the importance of team cohesion and flexibility, the importance of face-to-face sales for our product. Many future customers didn't know that they were interested in the product until they had already seen it in action. Our biggest problem for this project was keeping up with demand. We felt that we could sell these projectors, but we could not keep up with the amount of people that wanted to buy them. Finally, we learned the importance of perseverance as entrepreneurs. We learned to fail fast, be honest with ourselves, and cut our losses, if need be. It was this attitude that helped us find success in our next venture.